Have you seen those viral videos promising to melt dental plaque and tartar using a simple DIY mix from your kitchen? Yeah, I've seen them too. Hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, clove oil, and even grass-fed butter? Sounds natural, sounds easy. But here's the thing. When it comes to your teeth, easy doesn't always mean effective. Today, we're breaking down this miracle remedy and separating fact from fiction, so you don't risk your health chasing internet trends. Let's talk teeth. Let's start with hydrogen peroxide. The video recommends using 3% food-grade hydrogen peroxide to kill bacteria and whiten your teeth. Here's the good news. Hydrogen peroxide does have antibacterial properties. It's been used in dentistry for years, in the right concentrations, to reduce plaque and inflammation. But, and this is important, it can't remove tartar. Tartar is hardened plaque. Once it calcifies, no liquid is going to break it down. That's a job for your dental hygienist and a set of professional tools. And if you overuse hydrogen peroxide at home, you could irritate your gums, damage your enamel, and make your teeth more sensitive. So, is it helpful? Sometimes. Is it the miracle fix for tartar? Absolutely not. Next up, baking soda. This one's been around for ages. Your grandma probably used it. And to be honest, there's a reason people still talk about it. Baking soda can scrub away surface stains, neutralize mouth acids, and freshen breath. It's mildly abrasive, which helps in small doses. But here's the caution. Used too often, or used instead of toothpaste with fluoride, you're doing more harm than good. You see, enamel doesn't grow back. Once it's worn away, that's it. And while baking soda can help with plaque, it's not strong enough to remove tartar. It's a nice supplement, just not your main oral hygiene plan. Okay, now for the spicy stuff, clove oil. Yes, clove oil. It's got a long history in dentistry and for good reason. Clove oil contains eugenol, a natural anesthetic. If you've ever had a toothache and used clove oil, you know it works. But the idea that it can break down tartar, that's a bit of a stretch. There's some antibacterial benefit, but nothing close to the deep cleaning that hardened tartar needs. And please, don't use clove oil straight out of the bottle. Undiluted, it can burn your gums. Always mix it with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil and use it sparingly. So yes, clove oil has a role in oral care. Just don't expect it to do what a dentist does with a scaler and an ultrasonic cleaner. Now here's a surprise. Hydroxyapatite. This one actually is backed by science. Hydroxyapatite is the exact same mineral your enamel is made of. It's been gaining traction lately as a safer, more natural alternative to fluoride. It can help remineralize enamel, fill microcracks, and even protect against cavities. If there's one part of the DIY remedy worth keeping, it's this one. But don't just buy a random powder and throw it into a mix. You'll get better results with a toothpaste that's been professionally formulated with nano-hydroxyapatite. Still, this ingredient, it's the real deal. Now, about the butter. Yeah, the video suggests eating grass-fed butter because it's high in vitamin K2, which, to be fair, is important for calcium metabolism and bone health. But using it as a cavity prevention tool, that's a little optimistic. There's no solid evidence that munching on butter is going to heal your teeth or magically erase tartar. And the line about craving butter because of tooth decay, that's not science, that's breakfast. If you enjoy butter, great, but don't let it replace brushing, flossing, or good dental habits. So what's the bottom line? This homemade remedy may sound natural and appealing, but when it comes to removing tartar and preventing cavities, science still wins. If you're serious about your oral health, here's what works. No magic required. Brush twice daily with fluoride or hydroxyapatite toothpaste. Floss every single day. Watch your sugar and see your dentist every 6 months. Like clockwork. Hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, clove oil, they all have a place, but they're sidekicks, not superheroes. Your smile deserves more than a trending shortcut. Final CTA. If you found this analysis helpful, Leave a comment and let me know what you tried or what worked for you. And hey, share this with someone who's looking for DIY dental tips. Let's keep our smiles real and backed by science. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the Age of Insight channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy.